Fáilteoir Wai Rov Agini Ursula Hig Onad and Duncairn and Shaw Imal Farsta. The Duncairn is a central hub for music here in the city. We're getting ourselves all excited and geared up for Sunday and Gradam Ceolchoirm TG Chathail Fiche Chéan. Of course, there are so many deserving winners this year, but we also like to showcase emerging talent too. So, mar sinnda tá luchar armsa Ceolchoirm Duncairn ó ma cheantar beg chéan, seo thugah Clanny Luchrain agus Shane McCartan. Bhí ceol galanta an sin agin agus inis be ferrin bag ceol specialta agin fa Virginia. This year's winning Blana is Niall Hanna, and he is going to sing a gorgeous rendition of As I Roved Out, of course, made famous by the singing of Andy Irvine and Plingsty. Agin Uishla, winning Blana Shaw, Niall Hanna.
As I rode out one bright May morning, she sat under yon willow tree. I took off my hat and I did salute her. I did salute her most courageously. When she turned around, sure the tears fell from her, saying, "False young man, you have deluded me." A diamond ring I own I gave you, a diamond ring to wear on your right hand, but the vows you made, love, you went and broke them, and married the lassie that had the land. If I'd married the lassie that had the land, my love, it's that I rue until the day I die. When misfortune falls, sure no man can shun it. I was blindfolded, I'll ne'er deny. Now at nights when I go to my bed of slumber, the thoughts of my true love are in my mind. When I turned around to embrace my darling, instead of gold, sure it's brass I find. And I wish the Queen would call home her armies from the West Indies, America and Spain, and every mountain's well, in hopes that you and I will meet
Well, Ceolchoirm Duncairn na mascacha Cathar farste and nish. This lively duo are sure to put a spring in your step with a set of jigs. Shahugat Ciara Maguire agus Gary Duffy. you're just back from the Basque Country. It must have been brilliant. What did it feel like gigging again?
Oh, it was class. Like it was great to be back at it because just with COVID and all, we haven't got the chance to travel anywhere or do anything really, and we only really got gigs back there in the summer. So to get the opportunity to go over there twice, once in, was it July?
And then in October.
In October as well.
Like
So
3 weeks ago. So.
it's like stuck a wee bit of fire back in the belly to start playing again.
Absolutely, and I'm sure you were flat out during COVID practicing, so nice to get out and have audiences again.
Yeah. Well, that's definitely it, because like you were trying to motivate yourself to play on your own throughout COVID, and now that you've got a bit of secondary motivation again to play.
You're from Caoimhe, you're from Belfast, so lovely fusion of County Down, County Antrim. What's it like to be here in the Duncairn?
It's really class because we grew up like going to concerts here, so it's actually funny nice playing here ourselves.
Yeah.
So it is. It's kind of cool. So it is.
Yeah, I remember watching them when, like back in the day, you know, be like, I wonder if I'm ever gonna play here one day. So it feels good to do that, like.
Brilliant, and also Belfast has so much music around the city, so it's great to be part of the music scene here.
Yeah, every night there's a session. It's class. Like,
It is.
Literally, like if you ever want to choose.
Yeah, definitely since we've got gigs back again, Belfast has been the best place to get them, like get tunes 100%.
So you are flat out enjoying the session?
Trying.
Good stuff.
Try as much as possible.
Well, we're delighted that you have come to play with us here, and we just brought so much life to it, so thanks a million guys, and good luck with the rest of it.
Thank you so much.
Mar oranaí mé híonanta si go héintach dúsa an chéad glanella de oraníthe a ecail ag teacht hon kin. This ballad singing duo love to sing songs from Antrim and from Ulster, and tonight, well, we're in North Belfast, so they're going to sing a song written by a North Belfast man, Brian Connors. Seo of the Alcoves Le Fisherman's Day.
I stroll by the shore on a soft summer's evening, where the sea hits the sand and the boat homeward steers. No more will I follow the call of the ocean, for the land is my home in my last week of years. Farewell to the seas, to the nets, to the fishes. No more will I sail far from Cushion Bay, for the evening is drifting along Ballyhim, and the night takes the life of the fisherman's day. The shadows are sweeping the green from the glenside. The salmon are home to their own native stream. So I'll take a long pint in the heel of the evening, and the fish of the past will be part of my dream. Farewell to the sea, to the nets, to the fishes. No more will I sail far from Cushion Bay, for the evening is drifting along Ballyhim, and the night takes the life of the fisherman's day. And my day is done, and my dreams are forgotten. Just lay me down here where the sea meets the bay, and I'll hear winter winds as they roar over Brabla, and I'll feel the warm sun on a bright summer's day. fishes. No more will I sail far from Cushion Bay, for the evening is drifting along Ballymun, and the night takes the light from the fisherman's day. Oh, the night takes the light from the fisherman's day.
To gradam ceoltar ág na bliana seo a bhrunnú ar Charatha Costello, and to get a little sneak preview of why Saratha is this year's deserving winner and what you can expect on Sunday night, seo thug a bhainishi lena cara ceolmhar Catherine McHugh. Well, Rasha, I just love your voice. It was just gorgeous. I could eat it with a spoon. Just so lovely. So tell me, who inspires you? What got you into singing and playing?
I'm inspired by loads of artists, but My family are all musical, so there'd be instruments all about the house and we'd all be playing. So I started with piano and violin, classical, and then I gradually started singing and doing more pop songs and stuff. Would listen to a lot of Eva Cassidy when I was younger, and that kind of just got into the songwriting and singing as well.
Brilliant. And you're writing your own stuff, which is amazing. And tell me what's in store for you, big plans ahead?
Well, I'm hoping to keep doing this, hopefully get a few gigs, and I'm working on some new music at the moment, so yeah, I'll hopefully have some out soon.
Fab, so we'll get a wee album at some stage. That's going to be exciting.
Fingers crossed in the future, yeah.
And like Belfast, there's so much music in Belfast, so do you get much chances to gig around the city?
Yeah, it's been hard the past 2 years. I've had hardly anything. But before I did a single launch in the Duke of York, which was amazing. Had loads of friends and family there, and I would play there on a Sunday every week, so that was a nice wee gig I had there. And there's the odd gig you get about places like here. But yeah, it's really enjoyable.
Brilliant. Well, Gneary Lat, good luck with what's in store. I think we're going to be hearing your voice a lot more often here, definitely.
Thank you, thanks very much.
Well, inis hig ban og Alin a Hjol I bark a croaky I hien. We're going to jazz it up a bit now with some velvety vocals from local girl Rosie McHugh and one of her own songs, No Reason to Cry.
I want you to take me away from here, just spend a day somewhere new. I want you to tell me your life story. I want to know everything about you. Can you tell me there's no reason to cry? Let's run away just for the day, and you can teach me how to see in your way. Just you and me, let's go and be completely free of all responsibilities. Can you tell me there's no reason to cry? I want you to take me where I've never been. Show me the things that I haven't seen. How do you smile like it's all okay every minute of every day? Can you tell me there's no reason to cry? Let's run away just for the day, and you can teach me how to see in your way. Just you and me, let's go and be completely free of all responsibilities. Can you tell me there's no reason to cry? This world is falling to pieces, and I think we're running out of glue. But you are still standing strong now. Could you please tell me how to be like you? 'Cause you told me there's no reason to cry, and I want you to tell me why. So let's run away just for the day, and you can teach me how to see in your way. Just you and me, let's go and be completely free of all responsibilities. Can you tell me there's no reason to cry? Whoa. No reason to cry, no reason to cry, no reason to cry, there's no reason to to cry.
No stranger to the Duncairn, we are delighted to have award-winning singer-songwriter, the arborist, in our Mask and Nacht. He's going to perform one of his own songs, Dark Stream.
It's when the ground starts to frost that I miss you the most. Each swirling breath, your ghost, and I retreated into a dream, following the dark stream. But it's when the roses stand tall that I don't even recall the sound of your voice at all. And I retreated into a dream, following the dark stream. The seasons arrive and go. Oh, nothing survives. Well, I know, no. It's when the ground starts to frost that I miss you the most. Oh, each swirling breath, your ghost, and I retreated into a dream, following a dark stream. Oh, the seasons arrive and go. Oh, nothing survives. Well, I know, no. No, no.
Mark, aka Arborist, we've just caught your performance, and as we can all hear, the lads are still practicing upstairs, but you've recently won an award. Tell me all about that.
Yeah, during lockdown there, we I think the NI Music Prize, which is kind of our main awards ceremony that we have every year. That they persevered and went ahead with it online. So and I had an album nominated for the best album, but we ended up coming out with the best single for one of the songs off it, Here Comes the Devil. So delighted with that.
Amazing, I'm sure you are delighted with it, especially during COVID. You know, everybody has wanted a bit of a lift, so to win an award is just super.
Of course, yeah, fantastic, yeah, really nice. I mean, as I say, the ceremony was, everybody was at home, so it was a kind of a strange event. And I think everyone was a little worse for wear than they may have been in reality.
And weird to be accepting an award in your living room, you know.
Very much so, yes, yeah. But a nice experience nonetheless.
Brilliant, absolutely great. And tell us a wee bit more about the music round the Duncairn. Of course, you play here quite often.
Yeah, played in Duncairn many times. Ray and Josh, who run the operations here, are fantastic. You know, always very supportive of local musicians and musicians coming in from elsewhere in the country. You know, so it's always a pleasure. It's a beautiful space. So always lovely to play here.
Lovely atmosphere, isn't it? It's really
nice, really nice.
Yeah, lovely. Well, I really enjoyed your singing, so
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Tá beirt cóilceathraithe linn a níis a bhíonn clachtaí ag Ceolchoirm na céile ag cóisirthe Charlie. But from those family parties to the stage here in the Duncairn, we are going to hear a fabulous track now with stunning harmonies, a sneak preview of a debut album coming in the new year. Seochagat Leitha le Daughter.
Father called me daughter. He was born between the bridges of this time. He'd often tell me a tale or two about life way back when, and I'd think of how the times were so different now. My mother often called me darling, like her sister. She's born between the bridges of this time. She told stories of troubles she feared. As a child I'd think, oh, how the times are so different now. Between the bridges of this time, tell stories about shared youth, sweet summer nights and slow moving mornings from the deep of the pool, falling off bikes, picking fights, breaking hearts, watching my mother and her father grow. The spider protected the last smile we saw.
Is sé Commodore na bliana seo na Steve Cooney and Dríador Ceoil é Hien, and to give us just a little flavour of why Steve is so deserving of this award, Seochagat Vanishe le Dermot Byrne. So Conor, yn gradam comine scoil Ceolchoirm na Glangormlaithe mléana, bíonn tú chéan ag múnú an cé bhfuil tú ar bís?
Oh yeah, táidir bís ar fad anseo dúscart fel fairse agus an Glangormlaithe fásta. Yeah, bú me teagas vigil leis an scoil le couple of bliana nuas. Inis agus Jamson a grúpa ceoil fásta, so tá sin tána pastí just ar fios a league agus Jan siad a chud Opperwallia agus Jan siad clachtú a han ila seachtain tá lugar arm fásta mar Ibram lena pastí fásta scoil Malachy's and shop, but there's fel first. So
and Scholar Road to Hain, or hey?
Scholar Road to Hain, yeah. So to Sinner Doi Foster, but yeah, to Ceol Dol like on Yark and Shaw there's fel first. And
Shinny Gadira, Taboru or Leif and Ceol tradition to Insa Cantershaw Akaharia.
Yeah, being like Nervima Ní Chathail, Nervima Skull Malachy's like Nero Ceol Avi Shah's Ceol Classicach, McTardy August. Ní roin de agam an Ceoltarí orgéile a bhfuilú so a chaú so inis tan scéal go hamlan difriúil agus mar dúirtma an ru go an Yark so tá sé jazz sinna eáil agus tá mo choní a rís sa ceantar seo fásta bhí me sa deisgart le J so
Tatú sa bhla inis. Agus ar nói an bhíon dearnacht in na gradam a bheith an seamal fairse bhfuil tú súil go mór le hí hedóní a bheith linn?
Tá cinnte, tá sé just thbar gohfuil an gradam an seamal fairse agus ácaid íonta specialta a bhí an han just an bblion seo, but han an nuirí, but an blion ribbe sin agus tá an duine just ar bís an seamal fairse gohfuil na gradam an seo. So tásúlagam go mé gradam arás a rís sa tócaí, but tá me trú go mór leis an deir seachna.
Agus inis ag Bert Sean Charja a bhfuil le chéile agus iad sna déige ag Scoil Surrey, Willie Clancy. They're playing together since then and they're going to give us a lovely, lively set of reels. Seothag of Conor Caldwell agus Lorraine O'Brien. Táid fi an seáil an seo in Duncairn agus muid ag súil go mór le gradam ceáil TG Cahar fiche chéan Jadoni beg seo. But now for some of Ulster's finest music, Seo Blue Orchard. To Rudigan or Lee Faduda Ceolchoirm. There is something so special about families playing together, and this year's Ceolchoirm Bliana, Angelina Carberry, has brought hers along to give us a special musical treat. Seohag of Angelina Ihian, a Hinin Shauna, agus a Hather Peter. Tá luthar arm ghfuil Birch a bhui gradam ceoil ribh seo in our gideachta anish, Michael Rooney agus June McCormick. We have a wealth of superb musicians who won gradam until now, and this will give you a little flavour of what you can expect on Sunday night. Sinna malogin de Cursi Ceoil and Nocht and Shaw in Duncairn. Join me, Caoimhe Ní Chathail and Derny Clackin tomorrow night in the Whitla Hall where we celebrate Gradam Ceoil TG Cahir Fihe Fihe Hain. It's going to be a brilliant night. Chiffy mention Chiv, Ihawai.